Want to look classy, chic, and expensive? It's not as difficult as you might think. And a big thank you to Cala Shoes for this sponsored post. But more about that later in the video. There are countless ways to elevate your wardrobe, to look pulled together. Clothes are a tool to help us look and feel our best. American fashion photographer Bill Cunningham said it best. Fashion is the armor to survive everyday life, which is why I love to share style tips and tricks with you that will make your life easier when getting ready in the morning. From investing in classic wardrobe staples to having your clothes pressed and fitted, looking classy, chic, and expensive isn't as difficult as you might think. And my first tip is take time to steam your clothes. To avoid looking like you just rolled out of bed, steaming or ironing your clothes before you leave the house is key. I own an iron and ironing board, and I take it out from time to time at night to press a stack of clothes that's built up while I binge watch a television show. Recently, I discovered Shrinking, starring Jason Segel and Harrison Ford. Segel's character Jimmy is a grieving therapist who decides to become drastically more involved in the lives of his patients. This show is heartwarming, it's funny, and it gives a very accurate examination of grief. Check it out. I think you will love it just as much as I did. But I don't always have time to iron my clothes. It's tedious and time-consuming. But taking the extra time and effort to press or steam your clothes makes the difference between a thoughtless outfit and a polished outfit. And if you want to look classy, chic, and expensive, we know which one you should pick. That's when a steamer comes in handy. I have a full-size Rowenta Steamer standing in my closet. Whenever I take a blouse or pair of pants off the hanger, I turn my steamer on and take the extra 5 minutes to steam my clothes so they look crisp. The devil is in the details, including a steamed garment that adds instant polish to even the most worn-out item. I also have a travel steamer that I take along with me when I travel. It's a game changer because clothes can get quite wrinkled when they're packed inside a suitcase. And the next tip is grooming. Personal grooming is all about putting your best foot forward each and every day. How you treat yourself speaks volumes about who you are. When we're well groomed, it makes a statement and creates a positive impression. And no, we don't have to strive for perfection or look like a beauty queen, but we do want to pay attention to our personal hygiene. Grooming not only makes you look more attractive, but gives you a healthy dose of self-confidence. Ever go a day without hopping in the shower, washing your hair, or brushing your teeth? How did that make you feel? If you've ever been sidelined with an illness for even a day or two, or just felt like staying in your jammies all day long, I bet you couldn't wait to take a shower and get cleaned up. Am I right? When you are well groomed and dress appropriately, you feel like the best version of yourself. So pay attention to your hair care, invest in a great haircut. A fantastic stylist is worth their weight in gold. Don't have a stylist you love? Next time you see a woman pass by and you love her hair, stop and ask where she gets her haircut. That's how I found my latest stylist. The woman ahead of me at the grocery store had a fantastic haircut, and I was on the hunt for a new stylist. I complimented her on her haircut, and she shared her stylist's name and number. But we also can't neglect our hair routine. Shampoo, conditioner, and a hair mask will keep your hair silky and shiny. And if you want luminous skin, then a skincare routine is a must. And I have loads of videos, and we'll share one or two up here, where I share my skincare routine. But let's not forget about your teeth and your nails. Make a yearly or twice yearly appointment with your dentist for a good cleaning and ask about teeth whiteners. I have sensitive gums that prevents me from many of the whitening treatments that work well for many of you. But my dental hygienist recommended Crest White Strips. I wear them for 30 minutes a day for 10 days in a row, every other month or so. It keeps my red wine and my coffee stains at bay. And let's not forget about our nails. Well-groomed hands and feet are a must. Since I'm in front of the camera on YouTube and the blog, I regularly go in for a manicure and pedicure. It's my secret indulgence as it gives me an hour or two to be pampered. And the next tip is drape the third layer. Next time you want to achieve a sophisticated look, throw a third layer over your shoulders, whether it's a cardigan, denim jacket, or blazer. This one style trick takes your outfit to the next level. My next tip is invest in a few good classic pieces. For a wardrobe that will stand the test of time, search for key items, whether it's designer or otherwise, that you'll love forever. Think about the items that will be timeless in your wardrobe. These are the bones of your closet. What makes up the bones of a timeless wardrobe that will keep you looking classy, chic, and expensive? Think classic boots, well-fitting denim, or a beautiful handbag. Here are a few of my favorites to get you started. An oversized white button-down. Finding the perfect button-down can be a difficult feat, but when your goal is to look classy, chic, and expensive, it's imperative to find one. When it comes to a classic white button-down shirt, it's all in the details. If you've ever had a glimpse of my closet, you know what I'm talking about. I have over a dozen white shirts, and I'm still on the hunt for the perfect one. But I absolutely love an oversized version of a white button-down to look less preppy and more casual. Last week when I was at our Tybee Beach house, and a dear friend of mine from Houston days came to visit, guess what she wore one night when we went out for dinner? That's right, an oversized white button-down that she paired with a simple pair of denim. She looked adorable. And speaking of beach days, you can wear this button-down open and breezy over a fitted dress, swimsuit, and throw on a wide brim hat for good measure. You can never, ever go wrong with an oversized white button-down. And for those of you with larger busts, this is the perfect shirt that won't have your buttons gasping for air, a little black dress. We all know a classic black dress will get you everywhere, from sightseeing on vacation to early dinner reservations. A black slip dress with spaghetti straps looks fantastic with a blazer or denim jacket. But I recently spied this black sleeveless dress from Tuckernuck that's fitted, structured, and chic, and perfect for work or the weekend. But let's not forget the power of a white linen dress. Yes, an LBD has staying power. But let's not underestimate its cousin, the white dress, that's just as impactful as a white button-down. I snagged this white linen dress from Banana Republic this spring. Let me tell you, it is the perfect dress not only for late spring, but all summer long. I've been wearing them since forever. My first shoe memories as a child were my white canvas sneakers that I wore all summer long. And by the time summer was drawing to an end, my big toe was poking through the toe bed. Much like their culinary counterpart, rice, white sneakers are common, and at the end of the day, there's nothing that beats a pair of crisp, clean white sneakers. Today, I'm thrilled to partner with Cala Shoes, who make the cutest white leather sneakers with an accent of champagne that came along with me on my last 2 trips, first to Mexico and then to Tybee. Why? Because white sneakers take the cake when it comes to outfit versatility. They go with literally everything, including my travel outfit, my lounge around the hotel outfit, and my exploring outfit. And white sneakers make any outfit and the person wearing them classy, chic, and more refined. These sneakers from Cala have a removable cushioned and arch-supported insole, fully lined toe box, no seams, and a wider toe box, plus lace-ups to adjust the width if needed. Here are a few details that make Cala shoes anything but ordinary. All of their shoes are crafted from the finest leather in small factories in Portugal. This means they're very high quality, but also flexible and cushioned. The shoes have cushioned insoles with arch support. They're wider in the toe box, but standard in the heel. And the founder of Cala, Jenny, has bunions, which is the reason she created Cala, as a woman with bunions no longer have to choose between style or comfort. They deserve to have both. And no, you don't have to have bunions to wear Cala shoes, but they're also suitable for other types of tricky feet or anyone just wanting comfy shoes like me. Another must-have classic wardrobe staple that will keep you looking classy, chic, and expensive is a pair of summer sandals. How cute are these suede sandals from Cala shoes with a block heel? Dress them up or dress them down. The neutral color goes with anything and everything, just like those white sneakers. I think these sandals look particularly chic with a khaki skirt and white blouse, and you cannot beat their comfort factor. I love that at Cala, their mission is to bring comfort back into footwear, to make you feel like you're walking on the clouds without sacrificing style. Use my code BETH20 for 20% off Cala, and they also offer free shipping and returns to the US for orders over $120. Everything is linked down below in the description box. My next tip to look classy, chic, and expensive is add a scarf. Many of you already know this YouTube channel is dedicated to aging with grace, strength, and beauty because I know women of a certain age want to stay modern, fresh, and relevant. Thankfully, style has no expiration date. It's our choice to look vibrant and make the most of what we already own. A scarf is a classic wardrobe staple that many of you own, can be worn year-round and last for years and years. From wool scarves in the winter, cotton scarves for summer, or silk scarves that can be worn year-round, the sky is the limit. When the weather is cool, tie one around your neck or drape it over your shoulders. During the warmer months, tie a scarf on your handbag or use it as a chic and classy belt. And don't forget to hit the subscription box down below and the notification bell so you don't miss any videos coming your way. And that's truly how you can help this channel grow. The next tip to stay classy, chic, and expensive is roll with it. Sometimes my beloved button-downs can look stuffy, but if you roll the sleeves, they immediately look relaxed and effortless. But it's not just button-downs that can be rolled. Roll the cuffs of your jackets and blazers that will add visual interest and show off a stack of bracelets. And my next style tip is build your wardrobe with neutrals. Having a great sense of style shouldn't be confused with having an unlimited budget to finance it. Some of the best outfits are a mix of high-end and low-end fashion for a timeless look that's also on trend. In terms of color, a neutral color palette is what we should strive for. Keep in mind black, gray, navy, or beige to build a timeless wardrobe. Don't get me wrong, we love florals, bold colors, or animal print, but if you want to look classy, chic, and expensive, stick to a neutral color palette. And my next tip is shop consignment stores. If you love to shop luxury items but have sticker shock, and who doesn't, then we need to start shopping consignment stores. One of the best tips to looking expensive while staying on a budget is to purchase truly expensive, well-made items without paying full sticker price. If you haven't checked out sites like The RealReal, ThredUp, or Poshmark, you would be shocked to see how many like-new items can be found for 50% or more off. Check out my Poshmark store that has a 5-star rating to shop petite size 0 or regular size 8. My daughter-in-law Kelly, who is a petite, is a regular contributor to the blog Style at a Certain Age, and many of her items are available on Poshmark, along with my size 8 clothes. But I can attest to both The RealReal and ThredUp for a seamless shopping experience. And my last tip is create a Pinterest board. When you are working to define your personal style and lay down the foundations for your wardrobe, it is very helpful to have visual inspiration to guide you. My YouTube channel shares many videos with photos and B-roll to help you on your journey. But starting a Pinterest board and filling it with images of outfits that look expensive and that you are drawn to will help define your style. Give me a big thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye-bye.